Hello and welcome to the Pannonic Mechanic. Somebody asked me what the problem can be if your blower in the car, I'll show you, works only at the highest position or position 4, whatever. The problem in the most cases is the resistance of the blower. It's a component of the heating system. At my car that part has no fault, but I can show you how to find that part and how to replace it. You only need a minimum of mechanic skills and a minimum of tools, and there's no problem to replace that part. Normally you can find the resistance on the heating box. The heating box is behind the glove box, so here's the glove box of the car. Here is the blower. That's the heating box, and there, that's the resistance. Here's an electric connector. First you must remove that. Press here and so. Then you need, in this case, a screwdriver. First screw, second screw, and here's our part. That's the resistance. So there's a little bit of oxidation, but that part is okay in my car. On the same way you put it back again or replace it with a new part, and then your blower should work on all levels, from the lowest to the highest. Maybe I can clean a little bit. I do that. So it looks better now. I use the soft brush. Please be careful, that's an electric component. In this case it's only possible to build in that part in one position because of that here. So like this. Put back the electric connector. And the blower should work again. As I told you, normally you can find that part on the heating box on a similar position, and you saw it's not a big deal to replace that. If you like this video, maybe you can give me a thumb up and subscribe my channel, and I wish you good success at this job. Thanks for watching. Bye.